Hello guys, and welcome to this tiny tutorial. Yeah, today I will show you how you can create your own chpack character. This tutorial is just for the files. In this tutorial, I will just import the files to the chpack file, and not and I will not create like the BCMDL file or the UI that's already included in other tutorials, like the tutorial from TZ Gaming and stuff. So in this tutorial, I will just import the files. So first, all things you need is every file explorer and uh, Critic Composer. Yeah, that are the two files, apps you need. And for My Stuff Tools, I think you have it when you have created a character. Uh, if you don't have that, just download My Stuff Tools. I have all links down below in the description. So when you have My Stuff Tools, just go to base. No, just go to sarc and then open the base.sarc file. So that's just the tutorial where we are now. So the first thing we will import is the config file. Ignore how it looks in my case. Just take your config file and call it config.ini. So ignore these these numbers and these the X. That's completely normal. It's just a sarc file that's normal. So next we will import the IPS patch if you have it. So it's std wing color .ips. Don't forget these the .ips. So next we have the driver itself. So in my case it's Donkey Kong.bcmdl. It's the same for every character. It doesn't matter if you are importing Mario or Peach or anything. Just it's the same every time. So just call it driver.bcmdl. So the same thing for the LOD. Just call it driver LOD.bcmdl. So yeah, next we have the emblem. That's also very easy. Emblem.bcmdl. And the LOD one is emblem LOD.bcmdl. So that's also pretty easy, very easy. So next we have the cards, and this isn't the same every time. So just type body and then the name of your card. So in my case it's standard, so std, and yeah, then just type bcmdl. Then import body, the LOD one, so body std LOD.bcmdl. So yeah, if you have pipe, just replace std with pipe. So yeah, Next we have the UI, and that's first we will import select. The select image, just call it select.bclim. Then import rank, that's rank menu.bclim. Then we have rank R90, that's rank race.bclim. And finally we have map, that's map race.bclim. So, and finally we have the voices. Yeah, that's right, I think. So just I will have just 2 voice lines. Yeah, so that's a bit confusing, but just call the first one S and D select.bcwav. If you aren't sure, I will show you that. So if you aren't sure how you have to call some things, just visit this website. I've linked it in the description. And yeah, here you have all the config.ini settings, UI, and just scroll down to voices. And here we have, for example, select.bcwav. So I will import that, make sure that it's correct. So yeah, it is. Make sure that the cursor isn't there or anything. Make sure that it's behind the V. So then I will import SNE go. So the first one was the voice line when you select them, of course, and the go sound is when you select a cup, then it makes a sound like Mario says let's go or anything. Yeah, so then we have a bit then we have a bit difficult things. This now we have the core sounds and the goal sounds, but first we will make the core sounds. So that's S and D. So then here's where Critic Composer comes in. So yeah, just open Critic Composer and open your dumped BCSAR file from from Mario Kart 7. So here you have it, and open the wave archives. So here you have all the voice lines from the characters. So for like MR is Mario, LG is Luigi, TD is Toad, BW is Bowser, and this Yoshi. This is Koopa Trooper. But if you aren't sure or if you don't know what's this character, just open it and yeah, that's obviously Koopa. So in my case, it's Donkey Kong, and so here you have the voices. Yeah, that's definitely Donkey Kong. And just remember this number, in my case it's 21, and paste it here. So then when you open it, you will have that. So these are the voices itself, and just look at this number. So if you have like Mario has not 21, but you have like 1, just type 0, 1 and not just 1. That would be wrong. So just I will make that space and not really a space, but you know what I mean, and type 0, 0. Again, not 0, 0, 0. And then dot bcwav. Yeah, exactly like that. So now repeat that for all these sounds right here. So in my case it's 30, but it also like Koopa, that isn't much because it has some special voice lines. Yeah, right here it's just 17. So, and next we have CTGP-7v1.5 or CAN, and yeah, you have to repeat that for this BC-war file as well. So these are just 2, and yeah, I will import that. Oh, just 22 and 00 BC WAV. So yeah, and then we have the goal sounds. So Koopa doesn't need that. Also the CAN doesn't need that. It has special voice lines. I don't know why. Also Shy Guy has everything in here. So goal voice lines are special. I don't really know where, but just search for goal and then make sure that it's Shy Guy voices. Of course, MR and these aren't Shy Guy voices. So I will open that. That's DK. So it doesn't really make sense to open it because it's empty. But just remember this ID and paste it into this. So in my case it's 93 and 00. So you have to replace 9 voice lines. So it goes from this to this. So 00 dot bcwav until 8. So then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you are finished with your character, then just go to File and Save As. Do not press Save. Press Save As. And then paste it wherever you want. I'll paste it on desktop. However, we'll call it giant banana. And now, if there's a dot and sarc at the end, just delete the sarc. And in my case, there is no dot sarc, so I will just make a dot. Do not make a space. um, before you make a dot. That's very important. Just, you know, in my case, giant banana dot, and then chpack. So if there's if it looks like this for you, just delete that and just type this in. So, and then you can just save it. So now we are done. This is basically how you can create your own chpack character. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped. All right, bye.